I'm a Sylveon Parrot. We're all parrot dancing. This is me. This is my myth account, Miss_Happy Life. I just got kind of pushed by this random parrot. Oh shit, I actually still am. Alright, peace. See? Miss_Happy Life.